Greetings, our lovely supporters. Yeah, I'm asking you to continue to support. Who is here, haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Haven't become a member yet, please do so. How to become a member is also in the description, so check it out and make it happen. So today, I'm going to give you some insights on what happens naturally throughout the day while we are on set and off set, you know. Most times we are working. So just stay tuned and have fun. What you are going to know? That one here is when we depend on the work and we see Aki in a tree and we don't have no stick, so we use rake and pick Aki.
Them drop out, everyone drop out. You can't find the stick.
The worst part about it is every Aki drop, all of them fly out of the shell. So we have to run up and down and I find Aki. Aki all fly reach for a mango tree there.
Over here. You see, it is a killer, you know? Learn from the master. Quick pick. Catch. Quick. Watch out. Catch. Watch out. Come take a look.
Watch out now, no? The director go show him talent, you know. That one named Blacky Juggling.
Bomba! Sir, wait! Bubbles come video this morning, I can't do it now.
Watch out now. Shanna disturb the man and I set up the man for fail. You see what I tell you? Man crashed her.
Watch out now. Yeah. Boom! My time. Come Chantal, come record. Shan! Come record, I'm sure somebody can do it. No, use the Aki skin. Come in over back to the mango then.
Boy, Shan don't believe in her Tony and talent at all. But we'll give her a chance to see what she have.
Yeah. Alright, sir, where you go? So it's a start. There you go. One practice. See it there? Alright, so we move from the Aki skin to the Aki tree.
It is reaching a tree, you know, man. Man take off him clocks off and foot in a car, you don't know. You know the clocks now a grip.
Forward a Spanish town to shoot and we get dinner.
Yeah, man, only thing left, you know, if you hooks them out, you know, say boat can run. Big up yourself, it man. One hit maker. John, what me artist for that? Police come lock up the sound star.
So you give me 1 minute to that. Alright. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. So back to work. Oh god.
Boy, we are pass and see the bird in the road. It look like one of them wing damage, so we'll make sure him come out the road because we don't want a car run over him.
Bye. Hope you find your mommy soon. No, I run gone over in windbreak.
Depend we are going and look how we buck up on classic machine, man. You see how that fat? Yeah, man. It's about from the 80s or the 90s, you know. Classic.
The exhaustion, the something. Exhaust, yeah.
Some muffler and exhaust pipe.
You know, I wonder if parts still are sell for this door. But it fast still and it stand up on the road.
Super God hurt me.
Tony, it's not so serious still, you know. I just want to look a cut.
Yes.
No man, no worry man. You see the zinc that cut me?
Yes.
The zinc start rotting already, you know. I'm sorry, but the man roof have a leak, but...
Why the zinc shouldn't cut him? Because see it there now, he might make the man roof leak.
Couldn't cut me, man. Wrong person, wrong hand.
So we have Mr. Lindo and we have Mr. Sullivan. Them two man are not for the one place, you know. Worst them at war. Yeah, them a good friend now, you know. And see Mega there.
You know, so when the camera start rolling, different thing.
You know, some man have to take the toll.
Chubby!
Yo, and me and this man run all of the fancy footwork. And
Yeah.
you want to see the fancy footwork, then
Yeah, if you want to do it.
Ace.
That is it.
Mark, set, go.
My cup gone.
Get it?
I don't know where to turn off. No,
What is
unfair.
Do me a big, you know, but I make sure catch you back.
What's up?
Yes, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
John most time, I can't believe they make you pass here and when I cup them they drop.
So, by, what they call it, DQ, sir would win.
Why?
Because the one that dropped it never stopped it.
I did. What you mean we never
So
stop
you
it?
put it down beside the
Start with the back right away.
Yeah.
John Bubbles it rough, just as you thought you won.
This is not for the sweet, but for who understands the game.
It did drop.
Boy, that save you. A good thing say game of rules. Otherwise it'll lose.
Stack up five, stack up five.
Don't worry, we have 3
So
more.
we are leading,
We have 3
Yes.
more. We have 3 more
Ace.
games to go.
Ace.
Remember, some I can't fly fast.
Simple. Yeah, man.
Remember, some I can't fly
You see,
fast.
I'm just take my time and make sure that everything. Yeah. That is it.
Have it.